Hi there, my friend. I'm so glad you've taken this moment for yourself. In the next 10 minutes, we're going to ease any anxiety and stress you might be feeling. This is your time, a gift of peace. Let's begin. Start by sitting comfortably or lying down, whatever feels best for you. Let's take a few deep breaths together. Breathe in deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with fresh, calm air. And breathe out slowly through your mouth, letting go of any tension, any stress. As you continue to breathe, notice how the air feels, cool as you breathe in, warm as you breathe out. With every breath, you're inviting calm and peace into your body. Now, let's bring your attention to the present moment by grounding ourselves through our senses. Start by feeling the surface beneath you. Notice how it supports your body, allowing you to rest. Now, focus on what you can hear. Maybe the gentle music or even the sounds around you. Just let these sounds anchor you to this moment. Take a moment to notice how your body feels, whether it's the warmth of a blanket or the soft breeze on your skin. Let yourself be fully present, knowing that you are safe here. I'd like you to imagine a place where you feel completely calm and at ease. Maybe it's a quiet beach, a peaceful garden, or a cozy room. Wherever it is, picture yourself there. Feel the air around you, the soft textures beneath your feet, the comforting warmth of this safe space. In this place, you are free to just be, with no worries or stress. You can visit this peaceful space anytime you need a break from the chaos of the day. It's always there for you, a place of peace within yourself. Now let's speak some kind words to yourself, because you deserve to hear them. You are doing the best you can, and that's enough. Say to yourself, I am worthy of peace. I deserve moments of calm. Remember, it's okay to feel overwhelmed sometimes, but know that you have the strength to find your way through it. You are stronger than you realize, and you are never alone. Life has its challenges, but you have the power to face them with grace. Be gentle with yourself today. Let go of the need to be perfect and simply focus on being kind to yourself. You're doing great, one step at a time. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, let go of any lingering tension. Release it completely. We near the end of this time together. Take a moment to thank yourself for this pause. You took time for you, and that's something to be proud of. Slowly bring your awareness back to your surroundings, feeling grounded, calm, and ready to continue your day with a lighter heart. And remember, I'm always here with you whenever you need this moment of peace.